Instant smile.
Instant smile.
Instant smile.
Instant smile.
Looking for a temporary smile that impresses? Meet Instant Smile Comfort Fit Flex. Natural shade.
The natural shade blends perfectly with my teeth.
So flexible, it's like having my own teeth back.
I love how comfortable it feels. No more hassle.
At just $24.99, this is a steal for a boost of confidence.
Ready to enhance your smile? Don't wait. Grab the Instant Smile today and share your thoughts.
What saved me is I have a partial plate. I don't have any teeth right here. So I attached the bubble teeth thing to my back one. I eat with these, I sleep with these, and I use these as a denture. But you do have to be very careful what you eat because they will rip. So I seen the lady on TikTok. These are shade bright white. Thank you, Insty Smile.